Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can already tell by the title, in this video I'm doing this quick crisscross crochet hairstyle using Brazilian wool. So first and first, I'll begin by parting my hair ear to ear, the front side or the front part for the crisscross and the back for the crochet. So this part doesn't necessarily have to be clean because we'll cover it with the crochet hair anyways. So I prefer to start with the crisscross so I can braid the extra hair from the crisscross into the cornrow. I hope you get me. Again, I'm making jumbo crisscross, so my sections will be bigger. So for the crisscross, what I'm doing basically is I'll divide that section into 4, then go ahead and tie up the first 2 separately with a rubber band. Then I'll twirl it and add it to the back side diagonally to make it times or an X. So that's how it should come out looking an X or times. Yeah, I'll go ahead and repeat this for the rest of the front section and I'll be back when all is done. So once that's done, I'll go ahead and braid the rest of my hair into a cornrow for the crochet. So the hair I'm using for this hairstyle is a braid of Brazilian wool. It's from my previous jumbo knotless box braids. Initially, I'd wanted to use a new Brazilian wool, curl it up, and then go ahead and crochet, but I thought this still has quality curls in it and can be useful, so why not? Now moving on to the easiest part of this hairstyle, you just go ahead and crochet the hair in and double knot to secure it better. So those after crocheting all the Brazilian wool in, I went ahead to add some edges and I was done. This literally took just an hour to do. It's quick, easy, fast to do, and it comes out looking all cute and beautiful. So here I really wanted it in a bob, so I went ahead to cut it in a bob, and it was so cute and beautiful. So let me know which one you prefer in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, like this video, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, be beautiful, be smart, and be creative.